Kani gade ka pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kat ba baro kiseng san partai kidang bon kam ban pankre na kabanta ke election MLA ke ban solong house nam 8000 kat pra banwan Henry keseng Bharatiya Janata Party warla kadai keseng kebadan ya kejing artien banjab bon hakani ke jela halor ki babon ki daw ban kayai budden bat pengoru ya kejing long jingman jang ki weipat kiseng san partai hakani ke jela hakajing hendo berkinong partai kubor hak artrek mentau nopra kinong ilam jong keseng BJP na Delhi balai lam dau nong aktien jongka unalin koli bat kumjo kinong ilam nakani ke jela kila ko bakaseng kongres jong kani ke jela kan amla show ban kikle hakani ke election house nam ajakat pra lani ban wan pai hakabor sanchar namar kum bakalong mentahi layu ishai yakal air jong ke election bakalong persya ben ya keseng kongres kini kinong ilam ke BJP kila ongru baka NPP ke bayetre lang berkesorkar NDA hadali kan sawara ru ya kejinge tunjuk bor persya ya kesorkar MUA2 hakadar bar telang ke bansalong nadu ke pratrek mentau nopra namar kejing artatin bakani kesorkar kamdan shu ya kejing bun pat hakal yang sensar nalor kejing keren penduk mensiam ya keseng kongres hakani kejela kinong ilam ke BJP hakani kejing kenduk bagi kinong patai ke bor hak artrek kila keren ru alor ki weipat kimat ki bedai batkani kejela.
It's a continuation of the message that good governance and development is what resonates with the people of India. It doesn't matter where. It's a national resilience. And as far as the BJP is concerned, that is our mission. From day one, it has been, continues to be, which is the message of 2014, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji as candidate said, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Development for all, carrying everyone along. That's our message. It has been consistent and it's resonating. Any state election that would be, any election that would be at any level, even if it is at the Zilla Panchayat election, whether it's at the mayor election, whether it is in Maharashtra, which took place, our mission is driven only by this agenda. The rest is only a matter of numbers. Which is what? On what basis do you seek any kind of numbers or any kind of thing in an election? It is driven only by this. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, which is development. The message of development. That's our message clearly. The numbers, etc., everything, we always set targets for ourselves in every election. And we take our message and we hope that the people will help us achieve those targets. One of the things that I am gathering from my friends also in the media is that the last assembly session is round the corner. So I think if at all, we need to bear in mind that Meghalaya is in a churn. It is still not nucleated itself in terms of specific polls or in terms of specific what is going to happen in terms of the electoral work after the elections are notified. So I think one should wait. But the common message that's coming irrespective of anything is that the Congress is not in the vantage position. The Congress is on the defensive position. If in Ampatti, Bokul Hojong, an aspiring candidate, is working, if his rally is to be cancelled at the last minute, even though his supporters are almost there and there, close to some 1,500, 2,000, then it certainly points to the kind of defensiveness that is there in the highest echelons of the Congress party, that they don't want even candidates, aspiring candidates or workers to work in the areas that they used to believe are their stronghold. I think we need to bear in mind that as far as the BJP is concerned, our message is clearly what is the agenda of the central government and of the state governments which are winning and where we are in office, which is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, development, 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 development. That's the only agenda. In terms of the national face, there Narendra Modi ji is the most popular, most loved leader of the country. And that's clear in terms of the electoral outcomes also that we have repeatedly seen. With regard to states, whether there is to be a face, not to be a face, these are decisions that the parliamentary board of the party takes. And it varies from election to election, it varies from state to state. I don't see a wave at the moment in any party's perspective. I see one wave in Meghalaya, that the Congress will not return. That's the only wave which is clear in Meghalaya. The Congress will not return. The wave is only that. The Congress is going out of government. That is the wave. With regard to who will come, that is the right of the people. Every party is entitled to aim for the maximum number of seats. That is every party's right. And for the BJP, we are no exception. For us, an election is a serious exercise because it involves people's aspirations. And in Meghalaya, the message of development, 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 as by Modi ji at the center, the BJP governments elsewhere, as at the mayor's level, as at the panchayat level, the Zilla level, all of those.